yourself. Tara's in the process of working with me to set up lead generation funnels within her business, and we're working on both B2C and B2B funnels. I don't even know what to ask you, but maybe could you talk about how it's been? I don't know.
Yeah, so since working with Chantal, I started out, I'm new to business and this is a new business startup. So I had a lot to learn. We've gone through so much stuff and we've still got so much more work to do, obviously, coming up. We're kind of midway through this 8-week program that she has on offer at the moment. We've set up everything from like a CRM. I had no CRM, nowhere to store data. I felt overwhelmed most of the time because all of the information for the business was swirling around in my head, and I'm a one-man band, and it was just causing overwhelm. So I actually said to my husband the other day, I haven't felt overwhelmed for weeks. And I think honestly, a lot of that I have to credit Chantal, because now I have systems in place and the systems have just taken the burden off me completely. I feel more organized. I've got a clear vision with the marketing, which I didn't have before. I just knew I had to market my product, but I didn't know where to start. And it's an absolute minefield out there. I inquired with so many different marketing agencies, I guess, that want to manage your marketing, and not having any background education. They're pulling me in every direction saying, you need to do this, you need to do that. Are you doing this? Are you doing that? And I think it's dangerous feeling helpless and not having the knowledge about your own marketing, because you just don't know, you don't have that education to make the right decisions. I feel a lot more educated now, and I'm making purposeful decisions about who is helping me with marketing, who is helping me with different aspects of my business. We've had huge success with the marketing list. Like we're starting to grow the customer marketing list, but we've also embedded a opportunities form into our website, because we were starting to get inquiries filter through for all kinds of things. People wanting to retail the product potentially, people wanting to be brand ambassadors potentially, media opportunities, advertising, just collaborations and that type of thing. So now I've got an embedded form which actually segregates all those people as they fill it out. We can actually send them, if we have a conversation with somebody, either behind the scenes of social media or whatever, we can send them the link now and say, please just throw your details into the opportunities form. And then, like Chantal said, we can take that segregated information and nurture these relationships ongoing. So I'm feeling massively positive about it, and not overwhelmed anymore, in a nutshell.
Can I just say something? Tara's product hasn't landed yet, and she is building lists in both the B2C and B2B model, and her product is not even here to sell yet.
Don't even have a product yet.
And we are just, and she's smashing it. So